Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pulumi login issues, stack and auth errors step by step clearly. To fix Pulumi login issues, first, ensure you have the latest version of Pulumi installed.
Open your terminal or command prompt.
Run the command Pulumi version to verify your installed version.
If it's not the latest version, update Pulumi by following the installation instructions on the official website. Next, check your authentication status. Run the command Pulumi Huami.
If you receive an authentication error, delete the existing Pulumi configuration.
To do this, navigate to your home directory and locate the .pulumi folder. Remove the folder by running the command rmrf/.pulumi. Now, proceed to log in again using the command Pulumi login.
If you are using a specific backend, include the backend URL in the command.
For example, use Pulumi login cloud URL your backend URL.
If you encounter stack errors, confirm that you are targeting the right stack.
Use the command Pulumi stack select stack name to select the correct stack. To check the list of available stacks, run Pulumi stack ls.
If your stack does not exist, create a new stack with Pulumi stack in it new stack name. Once you have selected or created the right stack, run Pulumi up to initiate your update. Monitor the output for any additional errors.
If issues persist, consider checking the Pulumi documentation for troubleshooting tips. Common errors often relate to permissions or network connectivity. Ensure your API token is correctly set. You can check your token with echo $Pulumi_access_token or Pulumi config get access token. If necessary, reset your token through your Pulumi account settings. After making the required changes, attempt to log in again. This should resolve any stack or authentication errors you're facing.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.